Secure your online purchases and shop with confidence by learning how to create a Klarna OneTime card. First, open your Klarna app. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have the Klarna app, you'll need to download it from your device's app store and create an account or login. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for an option related to shopping or a card. This might be labeled as Shop or Shop Anywhere. Tap on this option to proceed. You should now see an option to create a one-time card. This feature is designed to give you a temporary virtual card number for enhanced security. Tap on the Create One-Time Card button. The app will then generate a unique, temporary card number for you. This card number will have an expiry date and a CVV, just like a physical card. Here it is. You'll see your new one-time card details. You can now copy this card number, expiry date, and CVV to use for your online purchase. When you're on the website where you want to shop, simply paste these details into the payment fields during checkout. This means your actual credit or debit card information remains completely separate and protected. Once you complete your purchase, the one-time card will expire or become unusable, adding an extra layer of security with every transaction. And that's it. You've successfully created and used a Klarna one-time card for secure online shopping. Enjoy peace of mind with your digital transactions.